Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! Yes, so as you can see sa pangalan ng channel ko, yes, I am now starting an ASMR channel. Yay! So, yes, matagal ko din pinagplanuhan to. Matagal ko siyang pinaghandaan. I think last year pa yata. Last year or maybe 2022 or 2023. Ganon. Kaso, yun nga. I keep holding back din kasi, nakatira ako sa isang very crowded tsaka very loud place. Tsaka, kasama ko rin yung family ko dito sa bahay. So, mahirap makahanap ng quiet na time para mag-record. So, ayun, tsaka wala din akong microphone. Yes, kahit ngayon wala akong microphone. So, actually, ang ginagamit ko now is my phone. Yes, pero sabi nga nila, diba? Start with what you have. So, eto na to, guys. This is it. Isang bagay na nag-force sa akin to create this channel is a very one specific situation with my friend. Actually, like, ngayong month lang na to. She was in a very, dark place. So, napaka-down niya. As in, chronically downcast talaga siya. So, palagi siyang umiiyak, nasa depressive state siya, tsaka stressed. So, thankfully, andito pa ako. Para mag-comfort sa kanya. Tinawagan niya ako and then, kinomfort ko siya. I offered her my presence. So, ganun. Tsaka nakakatuwang marinig na nung sinabi niya sa akin na, alam mo yung kahit wala akong gawin or wala akong sabihin, yung parang nakaupo lang ako tsaka nakinig. And then yung very presence ko lang talaga is very comforting daw para sa kanya. And then nakakatuwa lang siya marinig na I have this ability to comfort people and offer them my presence and makinig and makapag-vent sila sa akin, which kind of made me think kung gaano ka-importante sa isang tao yung magkaroon sila nung isang tao na parang makakapag-vent sila ng mga bagay-bagay, makakapagkwento, and then, ayun, someone they can lean on, kung ayaw nila maging strong, mga ganon. And then, naisip ko kasi, paano na lang din yung mga taong mag-isa sa buhay, diba? Yung mga taong walang kasama. So, ayun, paano na lang sila, diba? Pagpagod sila or gusto nila may kausap, wala silang papagbubuntunan. Alam mo yun? One very specific reason kung bakit ko ginawa tong channel na to. It is to provide comfort to people and then makapag-cheer up sa people. Makapagbigay ng happiness and relaxation. Ganon. So, ganon. Yun yung pinaka main reason kung bakit ko ginawa to. And so, this content is purely wholesome, purely safe to listen to, walang extracurricular activities, so walang ganon. So, very wholesome and very relaxing at the same time. So, yes, ganon. And schedule ng upload is maybe mag-start ako next week or maybe next year na. I think kasi medyo busy ako this season. With all the New Year commitment and stuff. And then, so, ayun. I'll try to like post siguro one content per week. Yes, I'll try my best. Kasi medyo busy din ako next year with, projects, writing projects, responsibilities, commitment, adulting, life. Ganon. So, ayun. Sana natuwa kayo. Sana natuwa kayo. And yes, yun lang. Ayun, give it some love. And sana this channel will like be your like refuge sa magulong mundo. Yes. Sa magulo at maingay na mundo. And sana makapagbigay ito ng comfort and relaxation, makapag-cheer up sa inyo. And then, just a sense of like feeling safe with a person's presence, ganun. And so, yes. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa every time na magpo-post ako. So, ayun, enjoy the rest of your day or night or whatever. And whatever it is na pinagdadaanan nyo in life, kaya natin to. Okay, habang may buhay, may pag-asa. So, laban lang. Fighting! Yes, and I hope you're having a nice day. So, take care. Bye! See you soon.